चाय 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 हॉट बड़ी तू वाहे 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 दीवाना बना दिया तूने सबको हाय हाय हाय.
Hey everybody and welcome to Mostly Chai with me, Prajakta Kori. Today's guest is a dream guest. Yeah, we're plugging Dream Girl too. It wasn't obvious. So he sings, he's an actor, he's a chai veteran that I have mad respect for. He was a VJ, he was also a radio jockey, and now he's a superstar. And now I'm going to teach him how to make chai my way. So let's say hi to Ayushmann Khurrana.
Hello.
Hi, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Huh. So, welcome to Mostly Chai. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Do you like chai?
Meeting you and doubly excited for having chai.
मेरे पिछले वाले एपिसोड के बाद Netflix and a lot of viewers got triggered and they actually sent me YouTube video links of how to make chai. And then
Are you a good chai maker?
I'm a great chai maker. और आप अभी पियोगे and you'll tell me कि Prajakta, I don't believe Netflix did this to you because it's rude. हमारे पास brown sugar है, हमारे पास मसाले हैं. So we'll quickly take these things and put it aside.
Yeah, of course. Let me just tell you, I don't like masala tea. I do not like masala tea.
Thank you.
You also don't
I
like it?
know,
I'm so
it's
happy, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you
Overrated. Masala chai is overrated.
So now that we've cleared all the confusion that was in the comment section after the last video, let's make chai. So we're going to start with water. You're from Chandigarh, right?
Yes, I'm from Chandigarh.
Chandigarh में कहाँ मिलती है best chai?
यार चंडीगढ़ में चाय बेस्ट मिलती है मेरे घर पे.
अब वो तो मैं recommend नहीं कर सकती. अगली बार आप जब चंडीगढ़ जाएं
तो आप मेरे घर पे जाके चाय पी लेना क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई और है नहीं, मैं बॉम्बे शिफ्ट हो चुका हूँ.
तो खुद बना के पी लेना. So you do a lot of your own songs. Since you are so passionate about chai as well, if you had to make a song about chai.
I have one song जो मेरी friend नीति मोहन ने बनाया था and it's a very underrated unknown gem. It goes like चाय 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 हॉट बड़ी तू वाहे 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 दीवाना बना दिया तूने सबको हाय हाय हाय. Is it cool?
It's like, yes.
Thank you guys, please appreciate this song.
It's like the theme song of my show.
ये जो slow clap बजाना पीछे से अचानक after 3 seconds, it was great.
Okay, चाय उबल गई. ये जिसने भी चाय पत्ती लाई है ना, इस चाय पत्ती में मसाला है.
क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसे? मसाला हम खुद ही लगा देंगे यहाँ पे, मतलब मसाला चाय is like complete no. But
I am so happy every time you say that. Very little milk. Do you like milk in your chai?
medium, not more, not less.
Cool. This is yours.
Thank you.
अब जब चाय बन गई है, take one sip and tell me it's the best chai ever.
चीनी डाली है?
हाँ.
Good.
No pressure.
It's good.
It's good?
It's good.
Are you
It's
just
perfect.
saying it?
No. The flavor is perfect. The flavor is perfect. Thank you, Prajakta. मेरा यहाँ पे आना बहुत सफल हो गया. It's just too good.
Good. Okay. Now let's sit down and chat about Dream Girl.
आपके पास कुर्सियाँ नहीं है, बैठ जाते
अब
हैं
लेके आते हैं ना काम.
Okay, fine.
We are very happy that you're back with a film.
Thank you.
10 साल हो गए?
10 साल.
Speaking of Dream Girl, you're doing a double role.
If you say, yeah, double role. Pooja and Karam. Karam ही पूजा है.
Is there a double role by another actor or actress that you've seen and you felt like, ooh?
I love Shri Devi in Chalbaz.
नाम मेरा प्रेम कली was my jam growing up. मैं सारे dance competitions में उस पे नाचती थी.
She was a legend and I think वैसा double role अभी तक किसी ने नहीं किया है. And OG Dilip Kumar in Ram Aur Shyam. I think that's a prototype for every double role film in Hindi cinema.
So did you go to these films to kind of prep for this?
I have come from a very filmy family, like not filmy family, not from Bollywood, but they
Watching a lot of
always
Bollywood.
loved films. My father was an encyclopedia of Bollywood, so was my grandmother. इस year में ये गाना रिलीज हुआ था, ये फिल्म थी, ये lyricist था, ये म्यूजिक डायरेक्टर था, ऐसे इसने गाया था. It's like that. So I have seen a lot of old films, so मुझे दोबारा देखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ी because like I have that on top of my head. So my competition was Sridevi and Madhuri for Pooja's character in Dreamville 2 because I didn't want to follow any male actor.
So speaking of Pooja, you know Gaurav Gera?
Yeah.
तो मैंने गौरव गेरा से बात करी थी. He had done a role like that. तो उन्होंने मुझे बताया था कि I had to shave once in the morning, then I had to remove my makeup in the afternoon, shave again. Please tell us stories about this.
मत पूछो. In the
I mean, I'm
heartland,
seeing you are very blessed in that.
Indo-Gangetic plains of our country with 45 degrees Celsius, hot and humid conditions, with a wig on my head, bhari lehenga, मेकअप 4 घंटे बाद दाढ़ी फिर से आ जाती थी, फिर मेकअप रिमूव करो, शेव करो, फिर से शेव करो. हाँ, I've gone through that. It's not easy, man.
Because when the first look of the film came out, my first question was कि oh my god, how many times did he shave in a day? Because एकदम चिकना jawline ऐसे निकल के आया था in the first when you turn.
20 दिन किया, उसके बाद बोला कि चलो देखें VFX कर लेंगे. नहीं तो 2.5 घंटा दिन का was getting wasted.
Okay, how has your approach towards characters changed?
Like during my initial days, I used to be a method actor, but now I don't have any method. I just go for it.
I'm sorry, you said method actor. I thought of Vicky Donor, and then it just
क्या method follow किया होगा मैंने? Oh my god.
Slippery slope.
वो method तो हर कोई बंदा follow करता है.
Moving on swiftly.
Yeah, coming from theatre background, you are a method actor. All you do is be one with the milieu. Driver से बात करो, वहाँ के लोगों से बात करो, उनकी likes और
So that's
dislikes.
your method now.
That's my method. I just meet people. I think आपको act करना तो act करना है. इतना अगर method में जाओगे, you need to live life to be a good actor.
There's a little test that I'm going to put you through.
I
before
hate
we
tests.
Go on. No, it's from your filmography only.
I still hate tests.
If you fail this, then it'll be very sad. So I'm going to tell you a few dialogues from your films.
Okay.
You have to tell me what film it is from and what your character was called.
Okay.
अबे साले सुबह मिले तो थे.
Action hero, मानव.
Okay. पीछे ऐश्वर्या राय का फोटो लगा है क्या?
आकाश अंधाधुन.
मेरा कीटो चल रहा है, कुछ तो रहम करो.
चंडीगढ़ आशिकी, मनु मुंजाल.
लड़की तुमसे मिलना चाहती है, एक बार तुम उससे मिल लो, उसका दिल तोड़ दो, हम जोड़ लेंगे, तुम कट लो, फिर तुम अपने रास्ते, हम अपने रास्ते, समझे?
चिराग दुबे, बरेली की बर्फी.
And I love this scene. I love this scene.
What a cute film.
मांग भरने के लिए तो पूरा मोहल्ला पड़ा है, बिल कौन भरेगा?
पूजा ड्रीम गर्ल 2.
और यहाँ पे लिखा है बिल कौन भरेगा? You said in an interview that when you came on set, every time you came on set as Pooja, you used to play music to channel the feminine energy.
Yeah.
Is it true?
Yeah.
What music was this? I want to know.
From everywhere. Like from Rekha Ji's playlist to Runa Laila and then या कोई गज़ल and
गज़ल?
हाँ, कुछ भी. मतलब to just evoke that feminine energy. मेरी entry होती थी, my spot boy used to carry the boombox and I used to play the music and enter like a woman. Slow-mo.
Nice.
बाल उड़ रहे हैं. Now it's like I've realized that women's clothing is not comfortable. Footwear also, yeah. So difficult, so uncomfortable.
Also, yaar.
Huh?
Underwear also.
First time I realized that, you know, जो bra खोल के मजा आता है.
क्यों? मैं
It's
पूछने वाली थी कि at the end of the
unbelievable.
day-
That underwire just killed me.
Yes. Open
निशान
heart
पड़ गया.
surgery.
Exactly.
Correct.
After 12 hours of shift, I should take off my bra. I was like, wow.
Bit like-
Yeah. तो मैंने सोचा कि अब मैं कभी bra नहीं पहनूंगा.
Good. Unless there's a Dream Girl 3.
I'll ask him to just figure out something else for that.
So you did a lot of street theatre in college, and a lot of street theatre includes social issues. Now, if you look at your filmography, it has a lot. You've worked on subjects that were around LGBTQI. It was around body shaming. Is that again conscious? Is that just who you have been ever since you became an actor?
I think that's part of my personality now because I've done so
you're
much of
drawn to
street
that.
theatre. Yeah. During college, we've gone to a lot of college fests like Bits Pilani or IIT Powai, Mood Indigo. Everywhere we traveled the length and breadth of the country and picked up social issues, made a play out of it. Historically, street theatre is very dark, but we used to make it funny, and I think it just trickled in my filmography as well. But once in a while, I think it's great to be away from that core and choose films like Andhadhun, Article 15 or Action Hero. So that's also a good escape from your core.
Going back to Chandigarh. Your favorite place to have lunch, dinner, breakfast?
Yeah, breakfast वहाँ पे ना there's a place called Mansa Devi Complex.
क्या खाते हो breakfast?
वहाँ पर अमृतसरी कुलचा इतना अमेजिंग है कि आप वहीं पे रुक जाओगे forever.
ये वही वाला है जो 10 बजे खत्म हो जाते हैं जिसके यहाँ के सारे कुलचे.
I'm sure खत्म हो जाते होंगे.
Because I remember going there, हम कह रहे 10 बजे कौन आता है breakfast करने, अब तो खत्म.
हाँ, ये अपार को पता होगा, वो खत्म हो जाते होंगे I'm sure. For lunch there's a place called Aja and
Aja.
AJAA. They serve healthy food. It's tasty as well. And for dinner there's Pal Dhaba.
Oh, Pal Dhaba.
Pal Dhaba for
साग
all.
वाला chicken.
हाँ, नॉर्मल चिकन करी, पतली करी वाला चिकन दे दो, साथ में गरम आपको मिलेगी तंदूरी रोटी, साथ में सलाद. सलाद. एंड में आप खाओगे मटका कुल्फी, कुल्फी फलूदा.
Got it. Perfect.
ये आपको आई थिंक परफेक्ट होगा.
This is great.
और एंड में चाय वो मेरे घर.
घर पे. Perfect. This has been great.
Yeah.
But I always love meeting you, and you're always so warm. And it's so crazy that we've made chai together, because I remember the first time I met you, I'd made coffee for you.
Life has
Look
come
at that.
full circle. So
Look at that.
That's great.
Dream Girl 2 has also been your biggest opening. So yeah, congratulations.
Thank you.
I really hope
Thank
that
you.
when it comes to Netflix, it also continues its dream run by trending on #1 the whole time, which I'm sure it will.
Thank you, Prajakta. Thank you so much. It was fun being here. Chai is fantastic and this show is great.
Fun. All right, thank you.
Thank you.